Welcome back to the series where I show you dishes that I eat as a vegan personal trainer that have over 50 grams of plant protein in. This easy butter chickpea curry makes 4 servings, so it's perfect for meal prep. Just a reminder that this is the type of food I eat to help gain and maintain muscle mass, and it might not be suitable for everybody. Start by making the curry gravy, which although delicious will contain minimal amounts of plant protein. So how do we get to 200 grams? Well, I've replaced the creamy element with silken tofu and cashews. Then I've added a lot of nooch, which surprisingly contains so much protein. I'm finished with almost a kilogram of chickpeas. It's a lot, I know, but it's 4 servings. Serve with naan or sourdough and you'll hit your 50 grams.